In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Chrome on your laptop or your PC. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But Google Chrome is obviously a pretty fast browser that also syncs across your Google account, which makes it super convenient between devices. What you're going to want to do is actually just, hit search down at the very bottom and open up whatever current web browser you have. If that is Microsoft Edge, just simply go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge, for example. And from here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is type in Google Chrome in the search bar and make sure you go specifically to, google.com. Once you do get to google.com, what you're going to want to do is just type in Chrome download and then hit enter. And from here, you got to go specifically to this option that says download Google Chrome. Go ahead and choose Google Chrome right here. And once the file does download, you're going to want to go ahead and open up the installer by going into your, File Explorer, going into those downloads and then opening it up. Once you do open it up, you're going to see the whole Chrome setup appear. Essentially, click on it, approve any Windows security prompt if it does appear, and Chrome is going to begin installing. Once it does finish, Chrome should open up automatically and you'll be good to go. If not, just find the Chrome shortcut on your desktop and open it up accordingly. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.